So welcome to week 2, video 9, and hopefully our last video for this week. I told you it was going to be a long week. Now what? So you've done your strategic plan. It's been approved by the board. So you got your mission statement, your strategic plan, your operational plans. Well, now you have to actually implement them. And that's your SMART goal. But how are we going to manage them? Because there's lots of projects that have to be done. So businesses use a variety of different tools for planning and organizing their projects and keeping track of things. That's what we're going to do now is we're going to look at a few of them, and then I'm going to invite you to do your one of your homework assignments for 5% is to explore one of these tools and then use the example from your worksheet, your SMART goal, where you identified a project or something that you could do to support the strategic plan and the mission, and you're going to show me how you'd organize it. Use one of these tools. Okay, so it's a project, and there's some reading. So that you understand the importance of managing projects. Take a look at these things, and see these are some of the tools that are identified in the readings. Okay, so one of them is a Gantt chart. And you can actually, this is what it looks like. So you see you have the tasks, and then they have time periods, which aren't in this snip, that tell you when things are going to be done. And you can see this is going to take the longest amount of time. This is less time. Okay. You can create a Gantt chart using Excel. This is a very old version of Excel. So you're going to, if you want to make a Gantt chart to show how you'd implement your project, you're going to have to find a more current YouTube video for instructions on how to do that. This is a video clip. I encourage you to look at it for what is a PERT chart, or a critical path analysis when you're doing project management. It talks about how you identify all the tasks, assign due dates, and organize them so you can see the least amount of time it should take to finish a project. And this is a reading about that so you know more about what PERT charts are. Modeling. So we've all done this when we're rearranging the furniture in our house. It's much easier to make little snippets, little snips of our furniture than drag the furniture around. Another tool is Trello. So this is just one example of the so many different project management tools that are available for free on the internet. This is what a Trello board looks like. So in Trello, you create a board, a screen like this for each one of your projects. If you choose to use Trello for this assignment, I do not expect your board to be this complex, but it just click through the link here, then you can read the information. I've got some links to instructional videos, how to use Trello, how this board is organized, so that you can jump right in and be successful quickly. So that's the final assignment for this week. Remember I told you there's 2, the planning worksheet. It's going to go in the Dropbox, that planning worksheet, and then this is another task. Now it's not due to the 31st, but if you want to do this one, use Excel to create a Gantt chart, or Trello to create a Trello board, or any other planning tool that you find on the internet, not just a Word document or a Google document. I want some kind of planning tool. And you can't just explore it and not do anything. So what you're going to do with it is you're going to use the project from your SMART goal, from your planning activity, and show me how you would use that tool to plan it and organize it and communicate it to your department. Go through those readings and videos if you liked, and identify from there 3 reasons it's important to use a planning tool to plan and manage, as opposed to just winging it and thinking that you're going to stay organized. And then post your chart or a link to your Trello board. Make sure you set it to public if you use some kind of online tool, or else I'll click the link, won't be able to access it, and I can't give you marks. And put those in the comment box. Okay. Additional instructions to help you. you're going to need to have at least 5 tasks, no matter what you choose, the Gantt chart, the Trello board. So this is way more than 5 tasks, okay? But at least 5 tasks that need to be completed in order for your project to be completed. And for each one of the tasks, I want you to make sure it's evident to me how much time the task will take, who's responsible for doing it, and in which order the tasks must be completed, because that's good project management principles. All right, congratulations, and thank you for sitting through, making it all the way through week 2. We'll see you in week 3.